Hello guys, this is another parcel tracker tutorial. This one's on how to help your residents collect parcels. So it's really simple. You just click on that top left corner, you go under collect, and you can scan in a QR code. These are sent to the tenants by email. You also can send them notifications on their mobile phones. However, these are not QR codes. These are codes instead which look like this one right over here. And you can just enter those simply right down here where it says identifier. And you just type that in and then press OK. However, for the purpose of this video, we're going to go ahead and scan in the QR code. It's really fast. So you just open the QR code and bam, it scanned it. And then you can see right at the top it says the name of the tenant, underneath that their room number, and one underneath that the number of parcels left to scan. So it's simple. You find the parcel which is attributed to them, you just look at the room numbers or whatever way you sort the parcels out in your mailroom. You get that parcel, you bring it, and then just scan it out. There you go. It scanned out the right QR code, and then you sign, and then you confirm. And then as you notice, there was a little burp wrong noise. That just shows there's multiple barcodes on the parcel that can be scanned out, and it accidentally scanned out the wrong one first, but then found the right one as it went to the next screen. So just keep that in mind, so don't freak out if it beeps, the wrong beep. If it just goes to the next screen, that means it's okay. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us online or by mobile phone. We're looking forward to working with you. Thank you very much.